Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn group functions in MySQL. So let us see the definition first. The group functions are also known as aggregate function or multiple row function. These functions work on a set of rows to perform some aggregate function like counting elements or finding sum of values of all rows. There are 5 types of group functions in MySQL listed as max of, which finds the maximum value in set of group elements under a particular column, minimum, min of, which is minimum value, sum of, which finds sum of all the values, count function will count the number of elements under a particular column, average will find the average value of the set of elements in a group or rows. Now let us see the syntax of a group function. How can we use in our MySQL? The syntax is like this. Select group function, column name in bracket, from table name, semicolon. Example, select sum of sal, where sal is the column name, sum is the group function, from emp semicolon. So this query will count or calculate sum of all the employees' salary column from the table EMP. Let us see the live demonstration. Now I'll show you how we can work such functions in MySQL. I'm opening a database D1 which is already existing. Now I will select a table EMP which already exists with data in my tables. So here I have so many records, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have 5 rows in my table and ENOE named as IC, mobile, salary and DOB. So I have 6 columns and 5 rows in my table. Now I will show you how to use group functions. Let us start from sum. Select select sum of sal from EMP. So this will calculate the sum of all the salaries under this salary column, that is 85,000, 1,75,000, 75,000. Fourth column has no value, so null, and 25,000. So all these figures have been added and this is the sum of the salary. Next, we can use count function to count number of rows available or items available under a particular column. So we can use select count function. Let us say ENO. So number of employee number will be counted. ENO is a column name which is the primary key and which is the first column you can see in the table from ENO. So 5 and therefore 5 employees are available in our table. Now to calculate the average, we can use select AVG of sal from AMP. Now this is the average salary. You can see this has been calculated by number of items divided by total number of total of the salary divided by number of people who has got the salary. I will show you the table. So in this you have 1, 2, 3, 4 people salary only is given. The third person's salary is null here. Therefore, while calculating average, all the salaries are added together, divide by 4, because fourth item is having null value. So only 4 items are available, therefore average formula is total by number of elements. So it will be the total salary that we got earlier divided by 4, and that is the output 90,000 that we get. Okay, so next we will find max of salary and min of salary. So simply, so we can just type max of salary. Now this function will give you the maximum salary, which is 1,75,000 among the data. Now if you want to calculate minimum, simply write min of sal. So it will show you the minimum salary which is available in the data, in the table. So now we have learnt max, min, average, count and sum, all the functions. Now what happens if we apply this function min and max to a column which has string data? So it will consider the alphabetical order. So minimum, A will be minimum while Z will be the maximum. So alphabetically it will arrange or find out the minimum or maximum data. So let us see how. If I say min of ename, I get Avenger. It starts from A, and let us see the table. So yes, A is the first minimum alphabet or string that is available. So output is Avenger. Let us see max of ename. Now we get Tony, because after that is the latest or the highest alphabet order name, and that is why we are getting Avenger as the minimum and Tony as. So I hope you understood the data. Also, I would like to tell you the DOB column. If I want to find minimum date or maximum date, I can write DOB column, which consists of date. So let us see. The output should be the date, which is the latest one. So latest date here is 1980 and 31/7/1980. That should be the latest date. So see, maximum means the date which is the latest one. The oldest date will be the minimum date. So when I say select min of DOB from EMP, now this is the minimum date. As you can see, 1955, that is 11th August 1955. This is the minimum date, as you can see on the screen. So now I hope you all have understood all the 5 functions we have learned today: max, min, count, average and sum with examples. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed the video.